If you accidentally deleted contacts on your iPhone, don't worry. You can easily recover them using a few simple methods. First, open Settings on your iPhone, then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Now go to iCloud. Then tap on Show All. Here, make sure Contacts is turned on. If it was turned off, turn it back on and choose Merge. This will restore all saved contacts from iCloud to your phone. Next, if your contacts were saved in Google, open a browser and go to contacts.google.com. Sign in to your account linked to your Google account, then tap on any of the contacts. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. It will show various options. Here you can find your deleted or saved contacts, and you can export them or resync them back to your iPhone. Finally, restart your iPhone and check your Contacts app again. You should see your recovered contacts back in. So yeah, that's how you can recover deleted contacts on iPhone. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone recovery tips. Thanks for watching.